Hello viewers, currently Tab S9 FE Plus is selling at a price point of 33,000 rupees, and after credit card discount you will get this under 28,000 rupees. So under 28,000 rupees, should you buy this tablet? You will get the answer in this video. Actually, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is a very good tablet. Many people want to buy this tablet for various reasons. The screen quality is excellent. It features 12.4 inches LCD display. On top of that, you will get 90 Hz of refresh rate. Multimedia consumption on this tablet is excellent. HDR contents on this tablet look impressive. You will thoroughly enjoy the display. As the display is bigger, students will have enough screen space to write on it. Inside the box you will get S Pen, and that will give you a very good writing experience. Now the question arises, should you buy this right now or you should wait for Big Billion Days sale? There is no sale running right now. Still you are getting this tablet to buy at 28,000 rupees. So I think in Independence Day sale or in Big Billion Days sale, you will definitely get to buy this tablet at around 22 to 25,000 rupees. So it depends on you whether you want to wait or you want to buy this right now. But it is a must that the price will definitely decrease during bigger sales. As Tab S10 FE Plus has been launched, so there will be price drop in case of Tab S9 FE Plus. So in order to get the best discounts, you have to wait for the right offers to come. So in the conclusion, I think you should wait for Big Billion Days sale or at least Independence Day sale to get the best discount on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. I regularly post videos on offers, and watching those videos many people have benefited and they got best discounts on tablets. So if you want to get the best discounts on tab, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.